Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logo on different niches, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. And you can also sell this skill on offline market. You can go to social media pages and ask them your services, because it is a very premium skill and you can easily make logos in Canva. So let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create gaming logo in Canva. So I'm going to Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on complete playlist on Canva designing course. So Canva designing course, and you can after watching the playlist you can completely know everything about Canva. So let's start. I click on create a design. Here I search logo 500 by 500 pixels. This is the best format. So first of all, I would like to write here gaming. So let's see. It provides us different templates of gaming. We will choose one of the template, but the first thing we have to choose is our name. So we will choose Mafia Gamer. So we have to change, we have to select template according to it. So logo is good, so we can Mafia Gamer. Gaming everywhere. Let's play every day. This is the tagline, and let's see if we change the background color. No, like this, like this, like this, like this. No, yeah, it's look good. So this is our gaming logo. But if you want to change the main element, then you can search it here like Mafia, and it will show us different templates. We can easily use one of the element and make our logo, but I think this one is good. So that's it, our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.